All right, so on this Range Rover, what we're going to do is I'm actually going to access this quarter panel. It's really pretty easy access. We've got one little clip we snapped out. It gives us wide open. I actually put my whole hand on the backside. There's a natural hole. We use different shaped tools, rods, picks, hooks. This one I'm just going to get right in here behind it, massage the damage, and then put it back together, and it's painless, pretty quick and easy. Much better, obviously, than painting half the quarter panel. We're just going to take this out and knock it out, and I'll show you the end result in just a minute.